Thank you for coming back and joining me again. Right now we're gonna dive into this. We're gonna talk about on this installment of our Ubuntu series. We are going to be talking about installing applications. Now we have a brand new install, fresh install, and you're going to ask yourself the question. Well, I got this brand new setup installed. Well, I need a few extra applications. You know, I'm working on a few things, and I'm not finding what I'm looking for. You know, so we're going to dive in. We're going to show you where to go get those applications, how to install those applications. Okay, and I'm going to give you a couple of basic everyday applications that every Ubuntu user can need or should need. So once we get logged in here, all right. So now you're logged in. I'm gonna, there's a couple applications that I like to install once I get I've set up my system. I went through the process. I kind of, I went through and got kind of familiar with where stuff is. Now, there's a couple of applications that I'd suggest you install. They're helpful applications. Let's go to our software, Ubuntu software. So, as you can see here, there's some handy applications that kind of populate here. One, Gparted. That's a very good one. Gparted will help you partition disk and format drives, thumb drives, and all that type of nature. Very good. Very, very helpful. That's a good one to download and install. You can click and install that one. We have, let's go down here to the categories. So we'll go through here, audio. Excellent here. Audacity, record and edit audio files. This is a good one. If you got audio files you want to tweak, kind of edit, remaster things. This is a excellent. I have this one installed on mine. This is an excellent one to use for just editing any kind of audio. Bracero. So you don't find too many CD drives or CD players on computers too tough, nowadays. But if you do have need to burn, this is an excellent one. This Bracero, create and copy CDs and DVDs. I love it. I use it all the time if I have to, if I have that, have a need to do that. Let's go. I don't know if I want to start it. Let's go to burning. We talked to. They got Bracero. These are different CD burning, image burning applications. Move on to editing. All kind of audio and video editing applications. If you're into making, this is a cool one. If you've got kids, you want to make something. This is a stop motion. You can take still pictures and create animated animation with still photos. One shot. You can actually create and edit videos with this. It's pretty simple to use. Ham. If you're a ham radio enthusiast, you got some applications for that. MIDI interface applications. If you're into music, mixer. Different kind of mixing applications, sound mixer, digital DJ interface. We go to music. These are various different kind of music applications you can use for synthesizing music, playing your music collection. There's one music or audio video player on here that they don't have listed. You might have to search for it. It's awesome. I mean, it's one of the most. It's cross-platform, but it's called VLC. You'd have to do a search for it. I want to show you that real quick because I would recommend you install that one. Go up here. It's a simple search, folks. VLC. Searching, 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 searching. Bam. And you want this one right here. VLC Media Player. Install. And you can go, bam, install that, and then you're good to go. Let's go back. We'll go down to category again. Let's go to let's say graphics. If you're into graphics, we got there's 3D animating graphic programs. GIMP. I would suggest you install GIMP. GIMP's similar to Photoshop. So if you need to edit photos and manipulate images, very excellent program. And GIMP stands for New Image Manipulation Program. See, they got 2D graphics. I'm not going to get into all these, but I want to show you just some of the basic things that if you're we can go here on the internet. If you are into torrent downloading, this is a good one. I have this. I'm a Chrome guy. I like this. This is the one I mentioned on my previous video, but this is the open source version of Google Chrome. It's called Chromium. It's exactly, I don't know to the T exactly like Google Chrome. There's a lot of different, you can cycle through these categories, but whatever you're looking for, instant messaging, remote access, remote desktop, you can cycle through these. If we got a soft phone, if you are, if you got like some type of Vonage or something set up, you can find applications for just about whatever you're looking to do. You got utilities, system tools, a couple of virtual machines. That's actually what I'm running. I got if you go here, these are emulations. Wine, that's a good one to install. Monitoring applications. So if you want to take a look at what's going on your system, and I probably should go in and show you that too. But those are some I just wanted to touch and show you some, like the applications. Like if you're looking for applications, like, hey, I'm trying to find this. Don't go out on the internet and start searching. This is your main source of application resource right here. Ubuntu Software. You can find this will guide you, and you can find applications for about whatever you're trying to look for. Look, here's a simple map application, similar like Google Maps. You can go down here. Some of the applications, they may not be the greatest and best, but then but if whatever you're trying to find, come here first. Come here first. Absolutely, come here first. So I think that about covers it. This wasn't going to be a real long video. Like I said, I just wanted to touch on and talk about where you go and how to install applications, and maybe some basic applications that'll help enhance your Ubuntu install. So take a look at that. Scroll through the Software Center place, and just take a look at some of the applications. You can read up on descriptions. You can go to the developer site. Take a look at it, and hope you find what you're looking for. I want to thank you all for joining me this time, and I hope to see you on my next go-around video on our Ubuntu series. You guys have a good evening. Peace. I'll see you on the next go-round.